In today's Magic Mixie Kid Review video, we have a fire on the left and a aqua water on the right. First of all, go ahead and dump this powder in as you see, and then go ahead and write the name of what you want your Magic Mixie to be and place it right on top. Then you're going to get some clean water and get the included wand. It's kind of like a eyedropper, and gently, oh, and there it's bubbling, then you wait. And eventually it pops up. What a magical surprise. Penny actually ended up putting a bit more water in just to expedite the process. As you see, it pops up, big surprise, and then you can just kind of take out the little stuffed animal. It's not all wet, it actually stays dry inside a container. And that is so cute, little fire one. The aqua one actually comes in many different kinds of aqua colors. But this one in particular is not the fish one, which is what she did not want. Also has a cool little ring, and then if you kind of wave it like that, it's kind of like a hologram. And also, one of the rings actually glows in the dark. How cool is that?